Eclectus parrots are charming, eye-catching, and intelligent. They are captivating birds that make impressive pets. Their beautiful colors, talking ability, and lovable personalities have established this bird as one of the most popular pet parrots. It is unusual in the parrot family for its extreme sexual dimorphism of the colors of the plumage, the male having a mostly bright emerald green plumage and a female mostly bright red and purple blue plumage. Listen carefully, female parrot saying hello. Hello. They live in tropical rainforests and originated in the Solomon Islands.
Hello.
They are frugivorous. Their length is about 17 to 20 inches and they weigh 13 to 18 ounces.
Hello.
Their lifespan is 30 to 50 years. I hope you enjoyed watching and listening to Eclectus Parrots. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.